Ready to navigate the UK like a pro? Let's unlock the Uber app in just a minute. First, download the Uber app from your app store and create an account using your phone number or email. You'll need to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. Now, tap the Where To bar at the top of the screen and enter your destination. Uber will instantly calculate the estimated fare and show available ride options. Choose the ride that best suits your needs and budget. UberX is the standard option, while UberXL is great for larger groups. Uber Exec offers a more premium experience. The prices and estimated arrival times are clearly displayed. Confirm your pickup location. The app will use your current location, but you can adjust it by dragging the pin on the map if needed. Double-check that the pickup location is safe and easily accessible for your driver. Select your payment method. You can add a credit card, debit card, or use PayPal. Some cities even allow cash payments. Then, tap Confirm UberX or the equivalent button for your chosen ride. The app will then search for nearby drivers. Once a driver accepts your request, you'll see their photo, name, car model, and license plate number. You can also track their progress on the map in real time. Contact your driver if necessary. You can call or message them through the app if you need to provide additional instructions or confirm your exact location. Keep an eye on the map as your driver approaches. Once they arrive, confirm their identity and hop in. Enjoy your ride. Finally, rate your driver after the ride. This helps Uber maintain quality service and ensures a great experience for everyone. And that's it, you're an Uber Pro in the UK. Enjoy the ride.